Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will compare CITI and Capital One. CITI and Capital One are both offer strong credit card options. CITI is a well-known bank that offers a variety of credit cards for different needs. It has a great cards for people who want to earn rewards on travel, dining and gas, like the CITI Premier card. CITI is also popular for balance transfer cards with long 0% intro APR offers, which can help pay off debt. You can earn thank you points on many CITI cards, which can be used for travel, gift cards, or transferred to airline partners. Some cards even have no annual fee, make them budget-friendly. CITI also offers good digital tools and account protection features. Capital One is a popular bank that offers easy-to-use credit cards for all kinds of users. Whether you're building credit, earning cashback, or travel, there's a Capital One card for you. Its travel card, like Venture and Venture X, are known for simple rewards, earning 2 times or more miles on every purchase. These miles can be used to book travel or transfer to airline partners. Capital One also provides free credit score tracking and no foreign transaction fees on many cards. The mobile app is user-friendly and helpful for managing your account. Overall, Capital One is better for simple, flexible travel rewards, while CITI is better for balance transfers and category-based points earning. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.